Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. I finally got my Pat McGrath Celestial Odyssey palette and I'm quite excited because I've been waiting for this for 2 weeks. Got it picked up from the post office today. Started jotting down my color combinations so that I can get to filming this video, and every single look. I'm so excited, guys. I absolutely am proud of this 7 looks 1 palette. I really wanted to differentiate the looks so you can see the versatility of the palette, as well as differentiating the looks from other videos that I've seen using the palette. But just so that I can give you a little roundup of what you're getting with this palette, this is what the box looks like. It's the envelope style that you get to pull out like this. And I don't know about you guys, but shouldn't she make all her Mothership palettes this envelope style so you don't have to do that ribbon thing? This product is made in the USA of US and imported ingredients. It has a 12-month shelf life. Just a suggestion, don't have to follow it. We all know we keep it more than a year. And this retails for $78. I think I got mine for $70.20 because I got it on sale. I did sign up for the early VIP release. I think that this palette is a lot more I don't know how to explain it. It's cardboard, but it still has a very luxury feeling. The cardboard on this is a lot more sturdier in comparison to the Celestial Divinity palette, which was her first holiday release. It is a little bit thicker, and the box itself, it's just got a lot more structure to it. I think the biggest difference with this palette is that the component that houses all of the eyeshadows has that lacquered finish, whereas the previous one was just a black cardboard. Now that I have 2 of them, I will say that these are probably the best bang for your buck that you're gonna get with Pat McGrath. I know they don't contain the Blitz Astral shades, which are her special shades, but her eyeshadows overall with the other finishes that you're gonna get in here, they're just superb. They're so good. I felt like with the previous palette, the Celestial Divinity, it felt very girly, very feminine, kind of earthy, a lot of reds, purples, and pinks with just like slight pops of that blue, or that I believe it's called Megabyte shade. Whereas with this color story, I just feel like it's a bit more rebellious in comparison to the previous one. There's no real structure to it, but after playing with it and coming up with these different color combinations, they just work. It is amazing how Pat McGrath does this, because I have found myself many times looking at her color stories and being like, what the hell is she doing? What is she thinking? But give it some time, just let the creative juices flow, and it just makes so much sense. And I feel that way with this palette. I was a little nervous, but every single look, guys, I'm so ecstatic. Like, I did an eyeliner look, I did a cut crease wing look, I did halo eyes, I did a regular eyeshadow application. I went from daytime looks to darker looks, and every single color story was different and used every shade. So if you're interested in what those looks are, I hope you decide to stay tuned. We're gonna get straight into the tutorials. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this video. I had such a great time. I usually need time to practice, but there was something about it today that I felt confident I can just go straight into it, and I knew it was going to turn out right. I can't wait to play with this palette even more and come up with more color combinations. I really cannot wait. Obviously, I can't post this photo on Instagram because I have so many different looks, but if you're interested in any of my makeup looks on this channel, always be sure to check me out on Instagram. It'll be the first link in the description box down below. That's where I post a photo of all my makeup looks along with all the products in the caption. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys.